Hello class 9 students. Chapter 4 Linear Equations in Two Variables. From exercise 4.2. Today I will be teaching you question number B, number 3 onwards. Question number 3. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. These are the 5 questions. I have to test it, they are the solution for this equation or not. How to test it? Now take the equation first, write the equation first, x minus 2y equal to 4. Then first question, solution is given 0, 2. Actually it is point x, y, because point we can represent inside the first bracket. So in the form of point, solution is given 0, 2. So first number is x, second number is y. Take the left side, x minus 2y. In place of x you put 0, y you can put 2. 2 to the 4. 0 minus 4 gives us minus 4 only. It is not matching with right side. If it is matching, then it is a solution. Since it is not matching with right hand side, therefore 0, 2 is not a solution. So first one is not a solution. Again second one I have to test it. Second one is given 2, 0, where x is 2, y is 0. Left hand side of the equation, x minus 2y, x is 2, y is 0, you can put it. 2 minus, this is 0 only, so result is coming 2. This also not matching with right side, because right side is 4 only. Our equation, it was x minus 2y equal to 4. So this is not matching with right side, therefore 2, 0 is not a solution. Now test it, third one, 4, 0, x 4, y 0. So left hand side, x minus 2y, x is 4 minus 2 into 0, result is coming 4. This is matching with right hand side, therefore 4, 0 is a solution. Now fourth one I have to test it, root 2 and 4 root 2, one is x, one is y. Left hand side of the equation, x minus 2y, x is root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. 2 4 is 8 root 2. It is 1 root 2, it is 8 root 2. Since both are root 2, their coefficient can be subtracted. 1 minus 8 is minus 7 root 2. I hope you can understand. In chapter 1 also you have this about irrational numbers. So 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2 can give us minus 7 root 2. This also not matching with right side. Therefore this is not a solution. Now fifth one. X is 1, y is 1. 1, 1. Left side x minus 2y. In place of x you can put 1 minus 2 into 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. This also not matching with right side. So 1, 1 is also not a solution. Question number 3 is completed. Now question number 4. Find the value of k if x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of this respective equation. Then k how much? So since x equal to 2, y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. Therefore in place of x you can put 2, y you can put 1. 2 to the 4 plus 3 equal to k. 4 plus 3 equal to k. 7 equal to k. That is k is 7. So already it is given x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 is a solution of the respective equation. So in place of x and y you can put these values. Then k is coming out 7. That is your question number 4. Very simple calculation. Even in the MCQ also it is there. Number 5 now. If 2k minus 1 and k plus 2, it is given inside the first bracket. That means one is the value for x, another is the value for y. Is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y plus 15 equal to 0. Then find the value of k. So since this 2, that is 2k minus 3 comma k plus 2, is a solution of this equation 2x plus 3y equal to 15 equal to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 15 equal to 0. Then in place of x you can put 2k minus 3 and y you can put k plus 2. So 2 into x is 2k minus 3, put inside the bracket, plus 3 into y is k plus 2, plus 15 equal to 0. 2 into first one, that is monomial into first, monomial into second. 2 into first one 4k, 2 3 is 6. So 4k minus 6 plus 3 into k 3k plus 3 to the 6 plus 15 equal to 0. Plus 6 minus 6 can be cancelled out. 4k plus 3k it is 7k. Plus 15 goes there means it is minus 15. Then k is equal to minus 15 by 7. Therefore answer k is minus 15 by 7. So number 5 answer is minus 15 by 7. Now go to question number 6. How many solutions of the equation 5x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 5 are there on number line and Cartesian plane? Cartesian plane means graph. Number line means by making a line you will represent the number. Question: how many solutions of the equation these are there on the number line and on the Cartesian plane? First take the equation, solve little bit. 5x minus 3 equal to 2x plus 5. 2x you bring this side, minus 3 you can send that side. So 3x is equal to 8. X is equal to 8 by 3. So only one solution we got it, x is 8 by 3. So if you will draw this on the number line, only one number you will get, 8 by 3. So your first answer, there will be one solution on the number line, because on the number line you can't solve, you can't find any other solution. X is already 8 by 3, so there will be only one solution on the number line. But for this, if you will draw the graph on the Cartesian plane, then infinite number of solutions will come, because x is fixed but there is no y, and whenever you are using Cartesian plane, your graph, you need x and y both, so no y. That's why there will be infinite number of solutions on the Cartesian plane. With this, exercise 4.2 gets over. Now exercise 4.3, I'll teach you the MCQ first. Choose the correct option. The graph of this ax plus by plus c equals to 0, that is linear equation in two variables. Whenever you will draw the graph for any linear equation in two variables, it will be always straight line. That's why right answer is C, a general straight line. Question number 2. The equation of the line whose graph does not pass through the origin. Does not pass through the origin means constant should be there. If in the equation there is no constant, that means if this is your linear equation in two variables, for example, if constant is missing, then that graph will pass through the origin always. But since here constant is available, that is 1, that's why this does not pass through the origin. If you draw the graph for this also, you will see that graph will not pass through the origin. So right option is D. Other three options you can check from the question. All will pass through the origin except this one. Third MCQ. If the point 3, 3 lies on the graph of this, then A how much? So since this point, you can do the rough calculation, lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to ax minus 2, ax minus 2. This is your x, this is your y. This is lies on the graph. So in place of x and y, you can put 3 and 1 by 3. So therefore 3 into y is 1 by 3 equal to a into 3 minus 2. 3 3 cut, 1 is equal to 3a minus 2. 3a bring this side, it will be minus 3a. 1 you can send that side, it will be minus 1. So minus 3a equal to minus 3, minus minus cut, a is equal to 3 by 3, that's 1. So solution, Right option B 1. So since this point lies on the graph of this, in place of x and y you can put the value and you can get the result. Now, number 4 MCQ. The point of the form a comma minus a is always lies on the line which one? Whatever 4 options are there, out of that 4 option I have taken option D, x plus y equals to 0, because this solution, this point, whatever I got it, a comma minus a, if I'll put in this equation, left right will match. A minus a is 0, 0 0, both are matching. That means this point definitely it will lie in this line. That's why D is the right option, x plus y equal to 0. Other option, we don't need to test it. If you can understand, if you can guess, then fourth option you select, this point you put it there, definitely left right both will match, so the point will satisfy the equation. In that case, D is the right option. Now, question number 5. The coordinates of the point where this line meets the x-axis. Now, if the line is meeting the x-axis, then definitely y has to be 0, because x-axis equation you know, y equal to 0. So in this equation, in place of y you put 0. So it will be 3x minus 5 equal to 0 plus 4, because y you are putting 0. So 3x equals to minus 5 you can send that side, it will be 4 plus 5, which is 9. 3 goes down, cancellation, x is coming out 3. So since this equation meets the x-axis, the respective point will be 3 comma 0. X-axis means y is 0 and x after calculation I got it 3. So A is the right option, 3 comma 0. With this 4.3 all the MCQs gets over. So with this I'll conclude today. Bye for today.